Hi, my name is Avantika. I'm a volunteer at the South Asian Heart Center, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I prep my salads for the week. Every Sunday, I make 5 salads in a jar like this, and I stack my ingredients from wettest to driest. This ensures that they stay fresh all week. This is also a great way for me to eat healthy throughout the week because I don't have time in the morning. This is also a great way to adhere to the plate method that we talk about. The plate method is a way of portioning out your food. So 50% greens, 25% protein, and 25% grains. Now let's get started. Today we're going to be making a lentil quinoa avocado salad. So we're going to start with our wettest ingredient, in this case a balsamic vinaigrette. And then we're going to move on to avocado. It's really important to get something like a heart-healthy fat, such as 1/4 of an avocado, or 2 teaspoons of flaxseed oil, olive oil, or avocado, something like that in your salad. You could also do a tablespoon of sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. With avocados, I like to put a little bit of lemon juice on it to keep it from browning too early in the week. So next, I'm going to go with my next wettest ingredient, which would be cucumbers. I also like to have everything chopped and in place. It takes a little bit of prep time, but once everything is good to go, it's easy to crank out all the salads. Then I'll go with some cherry tomatoes. I like cherry tomatoes because they don't require any chopping or anything. You just give them a quick rinse and they're good to go. In the winter time, I like to put in some cooked vegetables. So in this case, some broccoli. And it's really easy to switch things up this way. I like to switch up 1 to 2 ingredients in each salad. So with the broccoli, when I'm doing that, I can also put cauliflower in. I did that in those 2 salads. And over here, I just switched out the dressing. It keeps it fresh throughout the week so I don't feel like I'm eating the same salad. Next, I'm gonna go with my shredded carrots. I bought these pre-shredded. I think that shredded vegetables act as a really good barrier layer in between your wetter and your drier ingredients. This is a vegetarian salad, so we're going to use 1/2 cup of cooked lentils as our protein source. And for our grains, we're going to use 1/3 cup of pre-measured quinoa. And then to finish, we're just going to use some greens, and you're just going to pack these in there. I just use whatever boxed greens they have at the store. Throw them in. And then when you're all done, you seal it up. And so what I do is I'll put each of the salads in the fridge, and each morning I'll grab one and I'll grab a plate, a fork, and a spoon, and I'm ready to go. All right, and then when it's time to eat, I grab my plate, my fork, and my spoon. And then I pour out the salad onto the plate. I don't eat it out of the jar because I need the dressing to mix everything together. I try to mix it to make it look nice and pretty, but what's important is that we have all the right ingredients in the right proportions. And so sometimes what I like to do to switch it up is to include some fruits in my meal. So that could be, 1 small chopped apple or 1/2 cup of blueberries, or I'll just carry a small apple on the side to eat as, a crunchy, high fiber, sweet option to round out my meal. So this is what my salad looks like, all mixed up. This works out really well for me, and I hope it works for you. Enjoy!